Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. I wet the brick in preparation for what I plan on doing. I'm going to fill in the gaps that you see. I might not be able to get them all. I'm getting old, so I can't see everything. But gaps like this, I don't like them real hard on the eyes. So I plan on fixing stuff like that over there, over here too. I think I got a real bad spot at the bottom of this stoop right over here. Yeah, that's hideous. Let's take a look at the salvia. See, too much water. This is the end result. It looked great not too long ago. Now, might have to give that one a nickname too. The middle one, great job. Marsha, Marsha, Marsha. You're not the middle child anymore. Seems like this one has taken that status over. I'm sure many of you know by now, if my plants give me an attitude, so to speak, I have absolutely no problem with gutting them like a fish. Let me bring you over to my latest experiment. You see this? You see this piece? You see they're in pieces, right? I want it to match this side. So what I did, I got some rough surface tape, and what I'll do is get some mortar mix, fill that in, then put the pieces in the mortar mix. Hopefully they'll stick, paint them. It'll look good, trust me. Okay, now let's come up here and fill that in. I'll fill these gaps in. This will look a whole lot different when I'm done. Looks bad now, I know, but trust me, give me some time. You guys know I'm gonna put all my effort into this, and it'll look completely different when this is all said and done. We're not new to this, guys. Got my buckets out from Menards. The mortar mix is from Home Depot. That's the star of the show. Again, buckets, sponge, joiner, water bucket. I'm ready, guys. And even got the coloring there. I'll use some adhesive. You guys killed me last time for using that. Got the rigid drill out. Drill, baby, drill. You know what? No political commentary. No political commentary. I'm sure you guys think I do this stuff just to have an excuse to use my tools. How much did this mortar mix cost? I think it was $368, $468, something like that. Okay, I'll start by putting some mix in one of the buckets. You know what, guys? I had to get the bigger paddle out. That small one just wasn't going to work. You know what I mean? Uh-oh, I think I dropped the ball. Got it to the consistency that I want, so I'll put the mix in the grout bag and start over here. I don't like the grout bag that I'm using. It's too long. Last year I had a short one. It was easier to work with. Okay, filled in the gap there, over here, doing the same thing. Wait about 15, 20 minutes before you use that jointer to smooth this out. And my advice, use a smaller bag if you're a beginner or a DIYer. I have a 3/8 and half inch jointer, so depending on how big your gap is, you might have to use one side or the other. This looks good already, whole lot better. This is what you want to see. This might be overkill. I could have sworn I used a sponge last year to smooth out the mix a little better. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I didn't put the color in when I was supposed to. Here's the result. I can't exercise beginner's privilege on that one, but I'm sure you guys will give me a pass considering I'm a self-proclaimed semi-pro. All right, I filled in this gap. Looks a whole lot better. And again, I'm trying to prevent it from cracking every year. I want it to look just like this one, so I won't have to keep putting this together like it's a jigsaw puzzle. Filled this corner in, had to use the tool shop trowel. Got the joiner. Looks a whole lot better already. Discovered another problem at the bottom of the stoop. Not a big problem, but I didn't realize it was as bad as it is. Okay, up here, this is drying up. I'm telling you, that's going to turn out real good. I hope. I think over here, I got to get the grinder to get this stuff up. I don't like this on the brick, but things are on the up and up. Up here, looks good. It's the next day. Let's take a look at this corner. Hope it turned out well. Not too bad. Yeah, I made a big mistake using the sponge. Won't do it again. Lesson learned. I thought I used it last year, though, guys. I thought I did. Maybe I used it a different way. And this coloring is all wrong. Strike one, strike two. It wasn't the coloring. It was the order I used the coloring in. I mixed the color with water, then I mixed the cement, and then tried to add the colorant to the cement that I mixed. That's a no-no anyway. This looks good. Turned out well. Okay, I'm happy about that. It's gonna look just like this when I'm finished, trust me. It's hot. Sun just bakes my house all day long. sets in the west, so it's just like right here, just right on me. Anyway, all right, the stoops are going to be taken care of. Scraped it somewhat, but it's so hot. I'm gonna enjoy that water real soon. This is a new multi-tool. I use it to scrape the stoops. Husky, of course. Got it from Home Depot. You know, I bet my pressure washer could have gotten all this paint off the stoops. Take a little break, enjoy this shade. I won't go crazy because I plan on putting 2 coats of paint on the stoops. This might be too little too late for me, which means it's strike 3. I'm on strike 3, so I have to go back to the dugout. But anyway, if you do concrete work or use an angle grinder, put on some goggles and a mask. Time for my Ryobi 4.5 inch. Works like a charm, does a great job. You can tell the ones I worked on a whole lot better. Looks so much cleaner. Brand new almost. What do you think? Over here, same thing. Oh yeah, perfect. Again, I dropped the ball on this. Wear a mask and goggles, even gloves. When you're doing something like this, there's no point in you breathing this stuff in. Work smart, not hard. My bad batting average just means I'm not ready for the big leagues. However, progress was made. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.